Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. In this short session, I'll give you a quick introduction to the AutoCAD interface, focusing on the toolbars, command line, and workspace basics. When you first open AutoCAD, the screen might look overwhelming, but once you know the layout, it becomes very easy to use. At the top, you'll see the ribbon. This is where most of the commonly used tools are located, such as Draw, Modify, Annotation, Layers, and more. Each tab contains panels, and each panel has specific tools. For example, the Draw panel has Line, Circle, Rectangle, and Arc Dot. Below the drawing area, you'll find the command line. This is one of the most powerful features of AutoCAD. Whatever command you type or any option you select will appear here. Think of it as AutoCAD's way of talking to you. For example, if you type L and press Enter, the line command will start. Now let's talk about the workspace. This is the large blank area in the center where you create your drawings. You can zoom in and out with the scroll wheel and pan by pressing and holding the wheel. On the right side, you'll usually find the navigation bar for orbit, pan, and zoom options. At the bottom, you'll see the status bar, which controls things like grid, snap, ortho mode, and object snap. Very useful when you want accuracy in your drawings. So, to summarize, the ribbon at the top gives you access to tools. The command line at the bottom lets you type and interact with AutoCAD. The workspace is where all the drawing happens. In upcoming videos, I'll explain each section in more detail. But now you have a clear picture of the basic interface. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more AutoCAD tips. See you in the next one.